Hi everyone, welcome after 10 to 12 days. Sorry for the delay. I was not well for majority of the time, and as you can see from the background, we have changed the location also for the videos. So hoping from today onwards you will be getting the remaining video lectures on time, and there will be no delay. So let's begin from I think in last lecture we started social religious reforms, right? And today also we'll be closing the social religious reforms, specifically all the social religious reforms specific to Hindu religion, and afterwards we'll be checking the reforms in Islam, Sikhism, and Parsi religion also, right? So if I can, okay. So in last lecture we closed on Ramakrishna Mission and Swami Vivekananda, right? And okay, let's begin. So today in Hinduism we'll be discussing about these primarily Samaj. Like in last lecture also we studied about the Brahmo Samaj and all. So in the continuation we'll be studying about the Theosophical Society, Pratna Samaj, Satya Shodhak Samaj, and then these were some few important, you can say, organization, right? Then we're going to discuss about some of the most important personalities: Pandita Ramabai, Bal Shastri Jambekar, Kanduri Veer Salingam, and Sri Narayan Dharma परिपालन यगम मूवमेंट. ठीक है, इसके बारे में we'll discuss. Then after this we'll be closing Hinduism part, and after this we'll be studying about the Justice Party, your reforms in religion, or your reforms in Islam, specifically your Deoband movement or Ahmadiyya movement, right? And after this we'll be studying reforms in Sikhism, your Nirankari movement, and then at last for the closing we'll be studying the reforms in Parsi religion. ठीक है, सो ये आज के लेक्चर्स के आउटलाइन है. सॉरी, इसको चाहो तो लिख लो. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ थियोसॉफिकल सोसाइटी, राइट? सो आई होप ये लिख लिया होगा आप लोगों ने. सो विद द कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ अ टाइम आई विल बी रबिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. Write down the heading. ठीक है, please write down. Okay, so in this, write down the very first. It was founded in USA. It was founded in USA by Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Olcott. H.S. Olcott in 1875. ठीक है, next you write. In 1882 they moved to Bombay and finally settled at Adyar near Chennai. ठीक है, in India you can simply write they settled in Adyar, which was near to Chennai. ठीक है, next you write. The main aim of Theosophical Society was to attain wisdom of the main aim was to attain the main aim of Theosophy was to attain wisdom for realization of godhood. ठीक है, रियलाइजेशन ऑफ गॉड हुड, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट राइट, Theosophist discovered that the Hindu Upanishads were the storehouse of wisdom. Theosophist discovered that Hindu Upanishads were the storehouse of wisdom. ठीक है, next right. In the continuation only you can write. Okay, let me just. Sorry. So I'm repeating the last point. Theosophists discovered that the Hindu Upanishads were the storehouse of wisdom, comma, for realization of absolute truth and divinity. ठीक है, absolute truth and divinity. Next, right? They developed faith in Hindu philosophy of reincarnation, transmigration. They developed faith in Hindu philosophy of reincarnation, comma, transmigration, of soul, comma, karma, comma, rebirth, comma, moksha, comma, nirvana, etc. ठीक है, next right. Annie Besant made theosophy very popular in India, very famous. Annie Besant made theosophy famous in India, famous in India. ठीक है, next right. And because of her, Theosophy Society was able to get representation and acknowledgement at national and international level. Next right. Annie Besant quoted, quote start, the need of India are among other development of nationalist spirit, comma, an education founded on Indian idols and enriched, not dominated by the thoughts and culture of the West. ठीक है, quotes close. Next right. The society conducted research on Hindu religion. The society conducted researches on Hindu religious thoughts, comma, translated and published Hindu scriptures, which helped the process of intellectual awakening of, which helped in the process of intellectual awakening in India. ठीक है, next you write Mrs. or you can simply write Annie Besant led the foundation of Central Hindu College in Banaras. ठीक है, Central Hindu College Banaras in 1898. where both Hindu religion and scientific subjects were taught. ठीक है, इधर हिंदू रिलीजन भी था एंड साइंटिफिक सब्जेक्ट्स वर और ऑल्सो टॉट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट राइट. द कॉलेज वेंट ऑन टू डेवलप इनटू द फेमस बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी BHU. ये सेंट्रल हिंदू कॉलेज लेटर फेज में बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी के नाम पे फेमस हो गया इन 1916. ठीक है, 1898 में फाउंडेड हुआ था सेंट्रल हिंदू कॉलेज के नाम से और बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी बन गया 1916 में अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ मदन मोहन मालवीय. अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ मदन मोहन मालवीय. ठीक है, so this was your Theosophical Society, Theosophist, how Annie Besant took the whole approach at a higher level. ठीक है, इसमें से इतना ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा, मतलब नोट्स के हिसाब से पढ़ोगे तो प्री मेंस में इजीली क्वेश्चन दोनों तरह से निकल सकते हैं. रीज़न, फाउंडेशन, एम, वो सारी चीज़ें मेंस के हिसाब से आप लिख सकते हो इसमें से, एंड प्रीलिम्स के हिसाब से आपका फाउंडर्स हो गया, और उसका जो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था वो क्या था, देन ऑब्वियसली यू हैड योर फेमस कॉलेज ईयर, ठीक है, तो दैट शुड बी इनफ. नेक्स्ट राइट, प्रार्थना सभा. In this you write, this society was founded by English educated elites of Maharashtra like Atmaram Panduram. ठीक है, आत्माराम पांडुरंग in 1849. Next you write, they were motivated by Keshav Chandra Sen, KC Sen visit to Bombay. Next you write, the Samaj was pledged to worship of one God and seek the truth in all religion. एक भगवान को फॉलो करेंगे, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ वन गॉड, ठीक है, एंड सीक ट्रूथ, सच सारे रिलीजन में ढूंढेंगे, ठीक है, सीक ट्रुथ इन ऑल रिलीजन, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट राइट, महादेव गोविंद रनडे, MG रनडे, महादेव गोविंद रनडे was its prominent leader. Full stop. He wrote a book, Atheist Confession of Faith. ठीक है, he wrote a book, Atheist Confession of Faith, in which he emphasized on a compassionate and omnipotent God, which was similar to divine figures founded in writings of the Maratha Bhakti saint. ठीक है, in Pratna Samaj only you just write the ambition or the aim of the social reforms. ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर ही social reforms or the changes which they were aiming to bring, social reforms. They followed a cautious program of reform which included widow remarriage, ending caste restriction, women education, and revising the age of marriage for both male and female. Next right. So this was specific to social reforms, ठीक है, under Pratna Samaj. And last point in this Pratna Samaj you can write, MG Ranade also founded Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, and he was also one of the original founders of INC. ठीक है, तो मैं इसको इधर लिख देता हूँ. So MG Ranade also founded, MG Ranade also founded Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, and he was also the founding members of INC. ठीक है, after Pratna Sabha please write Satya Sodhak Samaj, Satya Sodhak, or you can like Shodhak Samaj. ठीक है, in this you write founder was Jyotiba Phule, Jyotiba Phule. Next you write he was from a Gardinal community, और हिंदी में कहते हैं माली community. So Jyotiba Phule was from Gardinal community, or you can write Mali community, who organized a very powerful movement against the upper caste, movement against the upper caste domination and Brahminical supremacy. ठीक है, movement was organized against the upper caste domination and Brahminical supremacy. Next, you write Phule founded the Truth Seeker Society in 1873. Truth Seeker Society was founded by Jyotiba Phule in 1873 और इसी सोसाइटी के नीचे इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स लिख लो. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में नंबर 1 स्प्रेड ऑफ एजुकेशन अमंग वुमेन एंड लोअर कास्ट. ठीक है. नंबर 2 रिमूव अनटचेबिलिटी एंड सोशल सर्विस. एंड नंबर 3 he stressed on abolition of caste system and socio-economic inequality. ठीक है. So this was some primary objectives you can say about the Truth Seeker Society. अभी इसके बाहर आके यहाँ लिखना है. ठीक है. ये 3 पॉइंट्स थे. Here you write the next. Jyotiba Phule was equally supported by his wife Savitribai Phule. Phule, who was from the lower strata of the society. Next you write, they were also the pioneers of widow remarriage. इसके बाद लिखना, they were also the pioneer of widow remarriage in Maharashtra. And they opened girls' school at Pune. ठीक है. Both Jyotibai Phule and his wife Savitribai Phule were the pioneers of widow remarriage in Maharashtra, and they also opened girls' school in Pune. ठीक है. Next write, 2 important works of Jyotibai Phule was. ठीक है. So 2 important works of Jyotibai Phule. A. सार्वजनिक सत्यधर्म. सार्वजनिक सत्य धर्म. And B was गुलामगिरी. ठीक है. 2 important works of Jyotibai Phule was सार्वजनिक सत्य धर्म and गुलामगिरी. ठीक है. So this was all about your सत्यशोधक समाज. Next we're going to discuss about the important personalities, and in this write down the very first, Pandita Ramabai. ठीक है. About her you can start with, she fought for the rights of women and spoke against child marriage. Next right, she was one of the lieutenants of Rukmabai case. ठीक है. So she was one of the most prominent personalities against the child marriage and rights of women, and in favor for the rights of women. So second point you can write, she was one of the lieutenants of Rukmabai case related to conjugal rights, which led to the creation of Age of Consent Act 1891. ठीक है. So I'll just write Rukmabai case related to conjugal rights, which led to the creation of एज ऑफ कंसेंट एक्ट 1891। ठीक है, सो बेसिकली रुकमाबाई केस का थोड़ा ब्रीफ ये है कि शी वॉज वन ऑफ द फेमस और द वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट वुमेन्स हु वर प्रैक्टिसिंग मेडिसिन एट दैट टाइम। ठीक है, तो इनकी चाइल्ड मैरिज हुई थी। तो चाइल्ड मैरिज के 13 साल बाद शी फाइल्ड द केस अगेंस्ट द मैरिज, एंड जिसके रिटर्न में बहुत ही मतलब कंपनसेशन दिया गया था इनके सो कॉल्ड हस्बैंड को, और इस केस को बेस बना के ही एज ऑफ कंसेंट एक्ट 1891 वाज क्रिएटेड। ठीक है, सो दिस वाज द सेकंड पॉइंट। फर्स्ट वाज द इंट्रोडक्टरी, सेकंड वाज रुकमाबाई केस। ठीक है, थर्ड पॉइंट यू राइट अंडर पंडिता रमाबाई, शी फाउंडेड आर्य महिला समाज in Pune to promote girls education. Next right, she also founded Mukti Mission for providing refuge to young widows who were abused by their family in Pune. Next right, she also created Sharda Sadan for housing, education, vocational trainings to widows, orphans, orphans and visually challenged. ठीक है, so after this we'll discuss about बाल शास्त्री जाम्बेकर. ठीक है, so बाल शास्त्री जाम्बेकर. ठीक है, about him you can write, he was considered as the father of Marathi journalism. Bal Shastri Jambekar was considered as the father of Marathi journalism. Sorry. Bal Shastri Jambekar was considered as the father of Marathi journalism. Next, right, he had a famous magazine called Darpan. Famous magazine called Darpan. ठीक है, so next you write Kanduri Veer Salingam. Kanduri Veer Salingam. About him you can write, perhaps he was the first social reformer from the Telugu speaking areas in this age. ठीक है, so Telugu speaking. ठीक है, next right, he was also influenced with KC Sen ideas and led to the formation of Hitkarni Sabha. Hitkarni Sabha. Next right, he also started school for women education in 1874. School for women education in 1874. ठीक है, after this right, श्री नारायण धर्म परिपालन युगम मूवमेंट. इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग नेम, सो इसका एक एक्रोनिम भी है, श्री नारायण धर्म परिपालन योगम. ठीक है, और ये पूरा का पूरा एक मूवमेंट था, तो दिस वाज अ मूवमेंट. ठीक है, इसके बारे में लिखो. श्री नारायण गुरु, जो मेन पर्सनालिटी थी, वाज श्री नारायण Guru was from the Izhava caste, was from EZHAVA caste, ठीक है, of Kerala, which constituted about 26% of Kerala population, and this caste was considered as untouchables. Next you write, Narayan Guru started SNDP Yugam in 1903. So SNDP is this only, Shri Narayan Dharma Paripalana Yugam, YOGAM. So he started SNDP Yugam in 1903. ठीक है, SNDP कंफ्यूज मत होना, एक्रोनिम है इसका, SNDP, ठीक है, युगम in 1903. Next you write, he took up the issue like right of admission to public school, recruitment to government service, access to roads and entry to temples and political representation. ठीक है, so this was under your SNDP Yugam. Next you write, Justice Party. तो जस्टिस पार्टी का रिलेशन आपकी वेरी फेमस DMK पार्टी के साथ है ऑफ साउथ, ठीक है, तो जो उसका ओरिजिन है और जो उसका कोर है वो DMK पार्टी का इसी से ही आया है, जस्टिस पार्टी से, ठीक है. जस्ट अ मिनट, ठीक है. सो द हेडिंग इज जस्टिस पार्टी. ठीक है, इन दिस, इसमें इसको वो भी कहा जाता है AK साउथ इंडिया लिबरल फेडरेशन, ठीक है. इसका भी एक्रोनिम यूज़ होगा SILF करके, वो आगे यूज़ होगा, मैं बता दूंगा, ठीक है. About this you write, on November 20th 1916, on November 20th 1960, TM Nair and P Thiagaraj, 20th November 1916, TM Nair and P Thiagaraj established this first non-Brahminical, so this was a non-Brahminical, on 20th November 1960, TM Nair and P Thiagaraj established this non-Brahminical organization in Madras Presidency, which was called as SIL Federation, ठीक है, SILF. So 1916 में TM Nair and P Thiagaraj established this non-Brahminical organization after naming it as SIL Federation in Madras Presidency. ठीक है, ठीक है, which eventually later came to be known as Justice Party. ठीक है, सो SIL फेडरेशन, जस्टिस पार्टी, इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना, सेम ही है, बाद में जाके DMK भी आ जाएगा, तो वो अभी आपको फ्लो में पता लग जाएगा. नेक्स्ट राइट, इन दिस, इन 1920 जस्टिस पार्टी एंटर्ड इन इलेक्शन ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट राइट, अराउंड 1937 दिस SIL फेडरेशन और जस्टिस पार्टी केम अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ पेरियर. ठीक है, Periyar was a very famous personality of South. Periyar, sorry, ठीक है, इनके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे बाद में कभी. So in around 1937, the party came under the influence of Periyar. His name was E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. E.V. Ramaswamy Naicker, NAICKER, एंड हिज सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट. ठीक है, इनका खुद का उस टाइम पे सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट चल रहा था. सो देयर वाज अ कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन द टू. And last you write, Perrier transformed the Justice Party into social organization named Dravidian Kazhagam. Dravidian Kazhagam. Sorry, my bad. Kazhagam. KAZHAGM. ठीक है, विच DMK जिसको बाद में बोला गया था. ठीक है, बाद में जाके जो DMK के नाम से आ गया उसमें D और K यही रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ठीक है, सो जब पेरियर का सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट वाज लाइक कल्यूडेड विद दिस SIL फेडरेशन ऑफ TM Nair and P Thiagarajan, so they formed this social organization named Dravidian Kazhagam, and eventually this withdrew from the elections in which they were planning to participate. ठीक है, so this was all about your Hindu reforms. ठीक है, about the famous personalities and groups. Now we'll be moving towards reforms in Islam. ठीक है, and the very first would be Aligarh movement. The very famous अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी सर सैयद अहमद खान, उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, सो इन दिस राइट डाउन, गिव अ ब्रॉड हेडिंग एज रिफॉर्म इन इस्लाम, एंड इन दिस नंबर फर्स्ट वाज योर अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट. ठीक है, in this you write, this Aligarh movement was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. ठीक है, next you write, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a loyal member of judicial services of the government. ठीक है, he was a loyal member of judicial services in British government. ठीक है, judicial सर्विसेज के मेंबर थे. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट राइट, आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट इन 1876 ही बिकेम द मेंबर ऑफ इंपीरियल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इन 1878. ठीक है, 1876 में ही रिटायर्ड, एंड इन 1878 ही बिकेम द मेंबर ऑफ इंपीरियल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. वी आर स्टिल टॉकिंग अबाउट हिम ओनली. ठीक है, इंपीरियल लेजिस्लेटिव. अब ये इंपीरियल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल हमने पहले के लेक्चर में स्टार्ट करा था. ठीक है, जब चार्टर एक्ट्स वगैरह पढ़े थे तो उसमें से आप रेफर कर सकते हो. इंपीरियल लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इन 1878. ठीक है, ही ऑल्सो अर्न द नाइटहुड. नाइटहुड पता होना चाहिए, नहीं पता तो एक आइडिया दे देता हूँ. मतलब क्वीन रिकग्नाइज करती है एज अ नाइट. ठीक है, तो उसके ही बिकेम नाइटहुड, ही गॉट नाइटहुड इन 1888. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट राइट, सर सैयद अहमद खान wrote an article. He wrote an article named Asbab-e-Bagawat Hind. Asbab ए बगावत हिंद. ठीक है, he wrote this article which literally meant the causes of revolt of 1857. so इसका ट्रांसलेशन का मतलब है causes of revolt of 1857. ठीक है, in which he wrote, or you can write, in which he rejected the notion of revolt as Muslim conspiracy and instead blamed East India Company policy of aggressive expansion as causes of revolt. ठीक है, next you write down in this Aligarh movement only about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He suggested British. He advised British to appoint Muslim in administration to avoid such revolt in futures. Next, right? He believed that modern Western education is essential for Muslim to compete with Hindus. Next, right? He also said that the orthodox outlook of Muslim will threaten their future. Next, right? In 1875 he opened Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College. ठीक है, 1875 he opened Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College, which later became Aligarh Muslim University in 1920. It became AMU, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी. ठीक है, तो इसको इस्टेब्लिश करा था सर सैयद अहमद खान इन 1875 एंड द इनिशियल नेम वाज मोहम्मदीन एंग्लो ओरिएंटल कॉलेज. ठीक है, 1920 में इट बिकेम AMU. ठीक है, द कॉलेज, दिस Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College, it imparted instructions on both Western science and arts and Muslim religion. ठीक है, next you write, this college became the nucleus of Aligarh Muslim University 1920, which we already wrote. ठीक है, as a pointer add कर लो. Next you write, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan condemned polygamy, पर्दा system and institution of slavery. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. So he condemned polygamy, पर्दा system and institution of slavery. Institution of slavery. And with all of this, he also condemned Piri Murid, which was PIRIMU, which was known as Guru Chela system. And he condemned all of this and he advocated education for Muslim women. Education for Muslim women. ठीक है, सो इन चार चीज़ें के लिए कंडेम्ड करा था. पीरी मुरीद वॉज ए गुरु चेला सिस्टम और एडवोकेट करा एजुकेशन फॉर मुस्लिम वुमेन. ही ऑल्सो प्रोपोगेटेड हिज आइडिया थ्रू हिज मैगजीन तहजीब उल अखलाक. ठीक है, मतलब उस टाइम पे सबकी एक कोई ना कोई वीकली या मंथली मैगजीन निकलती थी. सो इनकी मैगजीन वॉज तहजीब उल अखलाक, which was the meaning was improvement in manners and morals. Improvement in manners and morals. ठीक है, after, so this was your first Aligarh movement. ठीक है, after this write down Deoband School or Darul Uloom. सहारनपुर. ठीक है, यूपी का ही है, तो विल स्टडी अबाउट दिस. इट हैज़ अ रिवाइवलिस्ट, इन दिस यू राइट डाउन वेरी फर्स्ट, इट हैज़ अ रिवाइवलिस्ट मूवमेंट विच स्ट्रेस्ड ऑन ट्रेडिशनल इस्लाम लर्निंग्स. इट वॉज फाउंडेड इन 1866 बाय मोहम्मद कासिम. ठीक है, फाउंडेड इन 1866 बाय Muhammad Qasim Vanotwi Muhammad Qasim Vanotwi and Rashid Ahmed Gangotri. Rashid Ahmed Gangotri. ठीक है. The objective of this Deoband school was, you can write down here, मतलब यहाँ लिख लो, पॉइंटर्स में इधर लिखा दूंगा. Objective. Number 1, propagating the pure teaching of Quran and the Hadith among the Muslim. ठीक है, ये इनके प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव थे दो. तो वेरी फर्स्ट वाज द ट्रेडिशनल लर्निंग ऑफ कुरान. लिखवा देता हूँ मैं. So the very first was under objective, you can write A, propagating the pure teaching of Quran and Hadith, Quran and Hadith among Muslim, and B was keeping alive the spirit of jihad against the British. So this was jihad against British. So these two were the objective of देवबंद और दारुल उलूम. ठीक है. In this, so this was the objective. After this, third point, in 1885 it welcomed the creation of INC. So Deoband gave the support of INC formation. And the last point you write, in 1888 Deoband issued the fatwa. ठीक है. Fatwa was also called as decree. So Deoband issued a fatwa, इसको इंग्लिश में डिक्री कहते हैं, DECRE, अगेंस्ट सर सैयद अहमद खान ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. जो भी हमने उससे पहले पढ़े थे ना इनके बारे में, उनके अगेंस्ट फतवा निकाला था, अगेंस्ट सर सैयद अहमद खान ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज देवबंद. थर्ड वाज योर अहमदिया मूवमेंट. ठीक है. So this is still under Islam reforms, so Ahmadiyya movement. In this you write, founded by Mirza Ghulam Muhammad in 1889. Founder Mirza Ghulam Muhammad in 1889. He claimed that he was the awaited Masiha prophesied by the prophet. ठीक है, मतलब सेल्फ क्लेम्ड वाला सीन है. मसीहा prophesied by the prophet. ठीक है. Next right, this movement was based on the liberal principles and it believed in universality of the religion like Brahma Samaj. Next, it opposed jihad and stood for modern education among Muslims. ठीक है. So this was your Ahmadiyya movement. Now we are moving towards reform in Sikhism. Reform in Sikhism. In this, the very first, Nirankari movement. ठीक है. In this you write, it was founded by Baba Dayal Das. It was founded by Baba Dayal Das, who was the contemporary of Maharaja Ranjit Singh. ठीक है. नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंस में हमने पढ़ा था सबसे पहले रंजीत सिंह के बारे में. सो ही वॉज अ कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ रंजीत सिंह. नेक्स्ट यू राइट, ही बिलीव्ड इन वन फॉर्मलेस गॉड. ही हु, बाबा दयाल दास, ही बिलीव्ड इन वन फॉर्मलेस गॉड विच बिकेम योर निरंकार. मतलब हिंदी में इसका मतलब ये है कि जिसका कोई आकार नहीं हो, तो निरंकार. नेक्स्ट यू राइट, he preached he preached against the idol worship of human gurus. ठीक है, he was against the idol worship of human gurus, comma, worship of tombs and graves. Next, right, he also introduced simple version of Anand Karaj. He also introduced simple version of Anand Karaj, which means marriage. ठीक है, he introduced simple version of Anand Karaj, which मतलब इसका मतलब होता है मैरिज in the presence of Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib, ठीक है. So Guru Granth Sahib is a holy book in Sikhism. So he introduced this version of Anand Karaj, जिसमें जो मैरिज होती है that happens in the presence of this holy book Guru Granth Sahib. ठीक है. Next you write the Nirankari movement started from Rawalpindi. ठीक है, तो जो प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन है दैट इज योर रावलपिंडी. ठीक है. इन सिखिज्म नेक्स्ट यू राइट दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट योर निरंकारी मूवमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज योर नामधारी मूवमेंट और कुक्का मूवमेंट. ठीक है, सो इसका लास्ट पॉइंट लिख सकते हो, रावलपिंडी से स्टार्ट हुआ था मूवमेंट. ठीक है, सो निरंकारी मूवमेंट के बाद द सेकेंड वन इज योर नामधारी मूवमेंट. which was also known as Kukka movement. So this is under your reforms in Sikhism only. So in this you write it was started by Bhagat Jawahar Mal in 1848. Bhagat Jawahar Mal in 1848. ठीक है. Next you write it became a very powerful socio-religious reform movement under Baba Ram Singh. ठीक है, it was started by him but it became very famous under Baba Ram Singh. ठीक है. Next right, he attacked on the caste system, early marriage and female infanticide. ठीक है. And next you write they often came into the direct confrontation with British. In result, in 1872 a group of 62 Namdharis. ठीक है, 62, another example of atrocities that we all suffered through. So in this, the last point I'm repeating, they often came into the direct confrontation with British, and because the result was in 1872 a group of 62 Namdharis were blown up by the cannons for protesting against the British. ठीक है. So after this, after Namdhari, we're gonna study about Singh Sabha. In this you write it had twofold objectives. ठीक है, two objectives. A, to bring benefits of Western education to Sikh community, and B, to oppose proselytizing activities. मतलब इसका मतलब अभी पहले पॉइंट बोल देता हूँ. टू अपोज proselytizing activities of Christian missionaries, आर्य समाज एंड मुस्लिम्स. मतलब मास लेवल पे जो भी कन्वर्जन्स हो रहा है या फिर दूसरे रिलीजन्स को नीचे दिखाने की कोशिश हो रही थी बाय द डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स, जैसे क्रिश्चियन मिशनरीज और हिंदू आर्य समाज और द मुस्लिम्स. So the second primary objectives of Singh Sabha was to stop all these activities, right? And under Singh Sabha only, so this was the very first point, and the second point you write, to fulfill their objective, Khalsa schools and colleges were created. ठीक है, Khalsa school and colleges were created. ठीक है. Next you write, first Khalsa college was established at Amritsar in 1892. ठीक है. So this was just a fact. And the last reform was reforms in Parsi religion. ठीक है, जिसको ज़ोरास्ट्रियनिज्म भी कहते हैं. ठीक है. Reform. So this was the end of Sikhism here, and here we are starting with Parsi religion, reform in Parsi religion. ठीक है. So in this, the original name was Zoroastrianism. Our very famous, honorable and respected Ratan Tata ji is from this religion only. So original name of Parsi is Zoroastrianism. ठीक है. Next you write, reform in Parsi religion was initiated by Dada Sahib Naroji. Dada Bhai Naroji, Fardun ji Naran ji, Fardun ji Naran ji. This is Dada Bhai Naroji, Fardun ji Naroji, and SS Bengali. So these were the prominent reformists. Next, right? They took up the issues like moving away from orthodoxy and education of Parsi women. And last point, they created an organization called Rahnumani Mazdan Sabha. Rahnumani, MAZ Mazdhayasan MAZDHYASN Sabha was created by them. Rahmani Mazdan Sabha was created by them, and they also released a magazine. Rash Guftar, RASHGOFTAR. ठीक है. So this was a Parsi magazine. So with this we'll end our today's lecture. ठीक है. And this was all about your social religious reforms. And from tomorrow onwards we'll start with factors of Indian national movement. So we're gonna study that in the next lecture. ठीक है. I hope you like the video, and we'll make sure that going forward all the lectures will be delivered on timely basis. Sorry for the 10 to 12 days delays. ठीक है. So keep studying, and do let me know the concerns or queries in the comment section. Please like and share if you like the video. Thank you, and I see you in the next one.